Ever tried following a recipe to make your favorite dish? You've got your steps: chop the veggies, boil the water, cook the pasta, and boom, dinner is served. Programming is kind of like that, just following instructions. But instead of cooking food, you're telling a computer what to do. Today, we will break down what programming is, how computers understand programming, and the different types of programming languages and frameworks based on what you want to build. Without further ado, let's dive into the video.
Unleashing creativity through coding.
Okay, so imagine this. You're cooking spaghetti. You follow a recipe, step by step, to make sure everything comes out perfect, right? Programming is just like that. You write a recipe called a program or code that tells a computer what to do. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do that. And the computer follows your steps to get the results. Whether it is making a website, running an app, or even running calculations or math problems. But wait, computers don't speak normal human language, right? They speak binary, which is just ones and zeros, like a yes or a no system. So when you write code in a programming language, like a recipe, the computer translates that into binary so it can understand it. Here's what happens. You write a code like print hello. The computer translates it into ones and zeros. Then the computer does what you ask, in this case, saying hello on the screen. Now, programming languages are like different kinds of recipes for different kinds of dishes. Some are better for making websites, others are better for building apps, and the others are also used to run robots and machines. Each programming language has its own strengths, depending on what you are trying to build. And frameworks? Frameworks are pre-made meal kits that make cooking faster and easier, but in the programming sense. Let's look at some of the popular uses of programming languages and frameworks. To number 1, languages for websites. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These three are the main ingredients for cooking up websites. HTML builds the structure, like the bones of the page. CSS makes it look good, which is the styling, and JavaScript adds interaction, like buttons and animations. If you've ever clicked a button and watched something happen, that's JavaScript doing its thing. Second, languages for apps and software. Python, JavaScript, and Java are super popular for building apps. They are the go-to for things like phone apps, desktop apps, and even AI projects. Python is easy to read and perfect for beginners. Think of it as the beginner's cooking class. JavaScript is also a handy programming language that offers frameworks like React and React Native for building web apps and mobile apps. Java is a bit more serious, used in big apps like Android apps and even banking systems. The third category, languages for games. C++ is like the secret sauce for gaming. It is used in big video games because it's fast and powerful. Unity and Unreal Engine uses C# and C++, which power some of the most popular games out there. Languages for machines and robots. C and assembly are used to control machines like robots and cars. These languages tell the machine's hardware exactly what to do, down to the smallest detail. It's like cooking with super precise measurement. Get it wrong and the machine won't work. Okay, so programming is like following a recipe to tell the computer what to do. Whether you want to build a website, a mobile app, games, or even control robots, these programming languages are the ones to go to. If you are just getting started, try Python or JavaScript. They are great beginner recipes. And remember, if your code works, don't touch it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more easy coding tips. See you next time.